Namo Namaha Chhatraha. Today's topic is Kim Sarvanam. We all are aware about this Sarvanam, but we will going to decline this Sarvanam, we will understand this Sarvanam, and we will see some example how to make a question with this Kim pronoun. So today we will going to learn Pulling, Striling and Napunsakling Kim Sarvanam. First we are going to see Kim Pulling. When we are learning Kim pronoun, this Kim will decline into three genders like Pulling, Striling and Napunsakling, as we know very well. Now this Pulling Sarvanam, which we will going to use for pulling words only. You all are aware with the pulling nouns. I'll give some example like sadhu, kavi, pitru. Okay, all these are the nouns. With that nouns, when we are making question, we are using this Kim pulling sarvanam. Like if I decline balakam, so which pronoun I will going to with that balakam? Kam. Same if I ask bhanave. If I understand the vibhakti of that bhanave, which vibhakti I will going to use? Kasmai, because bhanave it's a chaturthi vibhakti. If I use balakanam, so balakanam it's a shashti vibhakti. So with that shashti vibhakti I will use kesham. If we understand the table, definitely we will going to understand vibhakti and how and where we have to decline this pronouns. Now kaha, kau, ke, this is the prathama vibhakti. For subject we are using this question forming like balakah, sadhu, pita, pita, like that. If I use Ditya Vibhakti like balakam, balakau, balakan, okay, this is the example for that. So I use kam, kau, kan, likewise. If I use any pulling word, any ending like u ending or e ending or ru ending, I suppose to use this pulling form to make a question. So what is the declination of this Kim pronoun in pulling? Kaha, kau, ke. Kaha it's a singular form, kau it's a dual form and ke it's a plural form. Same with Dvitiya, kam it's a singular, kau it's a dual and kan it's a plural. Kena, kabhyam, kaihi, kasmai, kabhyam, kebhyah. So the chaturthi vibhakti. Kasmat, kabhyam, kebhyah. This is the panchami vibhakti. Kasya, which shows relation. Kasya, kayoho, kesham. Kasmin, kayoho, keshu. This is the saptami vibhakti. Now we will going to see next table, that is Striling table. Now in this Striling table we will see the declination. First we have to see the declination in Prathama Vibhakti. In Prathama Vibhakti, ka, ke, ka, ha. This is the Prathama. Now we understand there are many nouns in Sanskrit like mala, matru. Okay, this is the Striling table. Then mati, buddhi, nadi. All these are the nouns of Striling. Now with that noun, which question forming we will going to use? This Kim Striling table. Okay, if I said nadi, so with that nadi, which question forming word I will use? Ka. If I ask matayah, matihi, mati, matayah. So which question forming I will use? Kaha. If I ask buddhi, so which question forming I will going to use? Ka. If it is there, nadyai. So which question forming word I will going to use? Kasyai. Okay. So like this, if we understand the table, definitely we will able to write down question forming. So in Prathama Vibhakti, that means to for show subject, how we will going to decline this striling? Ka, ke, kaha. For Dvitiya Vibhakti, kam, ke, kaha. If I ask balikam, so which question forming we will use? Kam. If I ask balikanam, so kasam. If I ask latayam, that is the Shashti Vibhakti, then which question forming I will going to use? Kasyam. So likewise we have to see the right Vibhakti to write down answer. You have to understand gender. If it is pulling words, we have to decline with pulling Kim Sarvanam. Now, if it is striling word, we have to use to decline with striling Kim Sarvanam. With that, we have to understand the vachan also. There are three vachan, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So, we have to see the vachan also. Okay. So, declination are का के काहा प्रथमा, काम के काहा द्वितीया, कया काभ्याम काभिः तृतीया, कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः चतुर्थी, कस्याः काभ्याम काभ्यः पंचमी, कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी, कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी. This is the declination of striling table. Now we are going to see Napunsakling table. As we know very well that in Napunsakling form only Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti is same. Rest all that declinations are like a pulling form. Okay. Now we will see how it will decline and how we will going to use with the neuter gender nouns. So there are neuter gender nouns like patram. Okay. Then there are many neuter gender nouns in u ending also. Okay. So here we will going to see how to decline this neuter gender Napunsakling word like kim, ke, kani. So if I take any noun like patram, patre, patrani. So question forming in ekvachanam kim, in dvivachanam ke, and in bahuvachanam kani. Kim, ke, kani, patram, patre, patrani. This is the a ending word which I have used for making a question. Now see, in Dvitiya Vibhakti I will use kim, ke, kani. It is same. With Prathama and Dvitiya we are decline same. Okay. And from Tritiya Vibhakti we will use to decline like a pulling. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti and Saptami, its decline like a pulling form. It is decline like a pulling form. Same with Dvivachan and Bahuvachan. It is decline like a pulling form. And which one is the same vibhaktis? That is the kim ke kani prathama and kim ke kani dvitiya. These are the same. Okay. And rest from tritiya to saptami, it is declined like a pulling form. So how it will going to decline? Kim ke kani prathama, kim ke kani dvitiya, kena kabhyam kaihi tritiya, कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः चतुर्थी, कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः पंचमी, कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी, कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी. As we know that सर्वनाम संज्ञकः संबोधनं न भवति. Now we'll see how we will going to use this pronoun. Okay, what is the meaning of कह? कौन, who. What is the meaning of कम? किसको, whom. What is the meaning of केन? किसके द्वारा, by with. Okay, what is the meaning of कस्मै? For whom. What is the meaning of कस्मात्? From whom. And what is the meaning of kasya? Of whom. And what is the meaning of kasmin? That means in or on whom. As we know very well that these are the chinna. Okay, so these are sign. Okay, how we will understand the question? All these are the sign. Now same thing we are decline for a striling also. If I ask kah, naturally it is for pulling, but with that kah, if I ask ka, so same we will ask that kaun, who, but who for what? Striling, ka. If I ask napunsakling, instead of that kah, which question forming I will use for napunsakling? Kim, but meaning is whom, who only. Instead of kam, what I have to ask for striling? Kam. Okay, but the meaning is whom only. With that, instead of kam, if I use napunsakling kim, which we use for dvitiya vibhakti, meaning of that kim is whom only. Now here kena for pulling, but in striling we decline kaya, right? So how we will going to decline with napunsakling? Kena. Kena, it's pulling and napunsakling same, and in striling kaya. So what is the meaning of that kaya and kena? By with. Meaning is same, declination are different in pulling and striling, and in napunsakling it same only. Okay, but you have to see the declination, how we are declining different sarvanam, but meaning is same. Now kasmai, for whom, but with this kasmai, if it is striling, which pronoun we are using? Kasyai, not kasmai. Okay, and in napunsakling same kasmai, with panchami vibhakti kasmat, but in striling we are using kasyaha. Okay, so kasyaha from whom, kasmat from whom, the meaning is same. Kasya, of whom, same kasyaha for striling, of whom. Kasmin, it is for pulling, and kasyam, it is for striling. So kasyam and kasmin, gender is different. Kasmin, it is for pulling, kasyam, it is for striling, but meaning of the both the pronoun in or on whom. Kasyam, on whom for striling, kasmin, on whom for pulling. Okay, now we'll see the plural form. Just now we have seen singular form, all this. Now we will see there are three forms like ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Okay, now we have seen singular form of this kim, pulling, striling and napunsakling. Now we are going to see kim, pulling, striling and napunsakling plural form. Now here we can see k. What is the meaning of k? Kaun, who. Okay, kan, whom. Kaihi, by, with whom. Kebhyah, for whom. Kebhyah, again it will come for panchami vibhakti same, from whom. Kesham, of whom. Keshu, in or on whom. Okay, now this is the pulling form. If I use striling, so what it will come? Instead of k, it will come kaha. का के काहा. Okay, so same meaning is same. के काहा, कान. का के काहा prathama, काम के काहा. In द्वितीया विभक्ति also स्त्रीलिंग form is काहा. Okay, now तृतीया विभक्ति कैहि के जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? काभिहि. The meaning is by or with whom only. Instead of केभ्यः, काभ्यः. In स्त्रीलिंग form काभ्यः, किसके लिए? For whom. पंचमी विभक्ति for पुल्लिंग केभ्यः and in स्त्रीलिंग काभ्यः, किससे? From whom. Okay, in पुल्लिंग केशाम and in स्त्रीलिंग कासाम. पुल्लिंग में क्या होता है? केशाम फॉर षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन एंड स्त्रीलिंग में क्या होता है? कासाम. बट मीनिंग इज ऑफ हुम, दैट इज सेम. केशु इन पुल्लिंग, कासु इन स्त्रीलिंग. मीनिंग इज इन और ऑन whom. Now we understand the singular and plural. Now we know you all have to form that middle one, that is dvivachan. You all have to sort out and you have to write down a form, pulling form. We have seen. Now see, understand my question. We have solved singular and plural. What you all have to do? We have to see the dvivachan. Likewise, you have to write down for dvivachan. This is your homework for pulling only. Only you have to do for pulling only. And then next you have to do for striling and for napunsakling. That means only dual form of pulling, only dual form of striling and only dual form of napunsakling. This is your activity. You have to form a 3 rows and you have to bifurcate that how we will going to decline dvivachan in pulling, striling and in napunsakling. Understand? Now we will going to see what is the meaning of this kah, kau and all. Now in your screen you can see kah, that means किसने, kau किन, किन्होंने, मतलब किन दोनों ने, किन्होने for अनेक वचन के. Now this is the only pulling form. Okay, likewise if striling table also, it is declinations are different, the meaning is same. Instead of kah I can use ka, so ka it's a striling, so kisne it is same for that. Okay, so likewise we will see only in singular form. कह किसने, कम किसको, केन किससे, किसके द्वारा, कस्मै किसके लिए, कस्मात् किससे, कस्य किसका, के की, कस्मिन् किसमें, किस पर. नाउ इन द्विवचन वी विल सी कौ किन दोनों को या किन, किन्होंने, किन दोनों ने. ओके, कौ किन को, किन दोनों को. ओके, काभ्याम किन के द्वारा, किन दो के द्वारा, किन दो के लिए फॉर चतुर्थी विभक्ति. काभ्याम किन दो से, कयोः किन दो का, किन दो की, किन दो के, कयोः किन में, किन दो में, किन दो पर. लाइकवाइज फॉर द्विवचनम. नाउ विल सी फॉर बहुवचनम के, दैट इज अनेक, बहुत सारे. किन्होंने, कान किनको, कैहि किन से, किनके द्वारा, केभ्यः किनके लिए. ओके, केभ्यः किन से, अनेक वचन, दैट इज अनेक वचन, बहुवचन. किनका, का के की रा रे री वी यूज फॉर दिस. केशु किन में, किन पर. ओके, सो these are all these are the declination and we are just seen for pulling, same for striling and napunsakling. If it is ka, that is you know that how we will to use that. Now see this question forming, how we are using this word with the make a question. Now kah gacchati. Now please understand this. If I ask kah, so you have to think definitely that answer will be in pulling form only. It can be in any ending. It can be in a ending or u ending or ru ending, but that word should be pulling. Okay, because you understand pulling table, pulling question forming, definitely that answer also in pulling only. Now see the next, that is Janakah kam vadati. I have given these examples. Why I have given these examples? Because if you understand one table, definitely you will able to solve all three genders. Okay, so this is the kam vadati. So definitely this is the pulling form for Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Janakah kam. This is the question forming for a making question for Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now we'll understand this is the kah. This is the question forming for Prathama Vibhakti. So if I ask that, we will thought that kah should, it answer should be balah. Okay, kah gachati, balah gachati. Answer should be like that. Kah gachati, balah gachati, sadhu gachati, whatever. If I use Dvitiya Vibhakti for this kam, so I can write this answer like balakam. Janakah kam vadati, balakam. Janakah balakam vadati. Balakah kena likhati. Balakah kena likhati. Balakah hastena likhati. Balakah hastena likhati. Like that you have to see the question forming. Now next is mohitah kasmat patati. Kisse? Mohitah kasmat patati. What is the meaning of this question? मोहित किससे पढ़ता है? मोहित किससे पढ़ता है? मोहितः अध्यापकात् पठति. मोहितः कस्मात् पठति? मोहितः अध्यापकात् पठति. एषः कस्य विद्यालयः? एषः रामस्य or सुरेशस्य. Any word you can use here for pulling. बालकाः कस्मिन् तरति? तरण्ताले. It should be answer in सप्तमी विभक्ति, एक वचन, द्विवचन और बहुवचन. एक वचन only, because it is as kasmin, it's a एक वचन. So तरण्ताले or whatever question answer will be there, that should be in एक वचन only. So likewise we have to understand the question forming. It can be asked in Striling form also, it can be asked in Napunsakling form also. What you have to understand? You have to understand the gender first, and according to that you have to make a question. So we have learned these three genders like pulling, striling and Napunsakling, kim pronoun. You have to understand all the tables by heart, all the tables. We will see in next video that we will going to take one activity with that with this kim pronoun, pulling, striling and Napunsakling. धन्यवादः. सुरक्षितं भवतु.